extra virgin olive oil is the biggest fraud on the food market because there is no real control on the quality. You can have the analysis at the moment of the pressing in order to get a commercial category extra virgin olive oil. But if this oil, after 6 months, is still extra virgin or not, and for the most of the time it's not anymore extra virgin, you will never know. And is not required in order to protect the consumer. Extra virgin olive oil start to oxidize immediately after the pressing. And there are 3 things that can increase dramatically the natural oxidation. There are the UV rays, so the normal light that we have. The oxygen, that of course is in the atmosphere that we breathe, and the temperature. High temperature or low temperature. There is some people that put extra virgin oil in the refrigerator and they will destroy the oil. What is really extra virgin olive oil? 95% is fat, very good fat, monounsaturated fat, 5% minor components. Inside the minor components there are the polyphenols. The polyphenols are the natural preservative of the oil. I'm sure you know very well about Mediterranean diet. It's considered the healthiest diet that is available for the human being. The center of the Mediterranean diet is extra virgin olive oil. And why this diet is so healthy? Because it's a strong antioxidant diet. For us, starting this business with Manni oil at the beginning, the goal was to create an oil, organic farming, certified of course, very high in quantity of polyphenol, and most important, very stable in the time regarding the polyphenols and the sacrifice of the polyphenol. Because as I said before, we are talking about soldiers, and the polyphenols are really a fantastic soldier against the free radicals. The polyphenols are working as a grain cleaner. In the same way that we use red wine for a very fat dish, main course. Main course very heavy. We don't want to have a white wine. We want to have a powerful red wine full of polyphenols, because the polyphenols will clean our tongue and will give to us the possibility to not be overwhelmed by the fat that will stick on the papaya. This oil is not only a fat, this oil is also a spice. We have been the first in the world to make bottles so small. The people was laughing at us in 2001, saying, what are you doing? Perfume? 1 liter will stand in your kitchen that is hot with a light for months, and the oil will be destroyed. The only possibility to be sure about extra virgin olive oil is to use something small.
This oil immediately gets your mouth dry. Immediately.
It's a big chunk, this, huh?
No problem, I have a big mouth. This kind of flavor opened the door to use olive oil as a spice, not just olive oil in the dish.